For the better result, we're compare and grading smartphones on build quality, display, performance, camera, battery, connectivity, and price, offering detailed, objective insights for informed decisions. Welcome to cellTube, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two top smartphones, Google Pixel 9 Pro XL versus OnePlus 12. Stay tuned as we break down everything from design and display to performance and price, so you can decide which one deserves a spot in your pocket. Firstly, we're rating build quality comparison. OnePlus, premium feel with an aluminum frame and glass back. High scratch resistance, Gorilla Glass, and IP65 water resistance. Slightly lighter build and curved edges for comfortable handling. Pixel, top-tier materials with Gorilla Glass Victus on both sides for enhanced durability. Excellent scratch resistance and IP68 water resistance. Marginally lighter and thinner with better balance and ergonomics, offering superior in-hand comfort. So, Pixel narrowly takes the lead due to slightly better balance and weight distribution, making it more comfortable in hand. When comparing displays, the Pixel 9 Pro XL in resolution and color accuracy, delivering a vibrant and true-to-life visual experience. The OnePlus 12, with its larger AMOLED panel, higher refresh rate, and touch sample rate, offers superior smoothness and responsiveness. Both displays shine in brightness and contrast, but the Pixel edges ahead with its refined clarity. According to the migrating OnePlus display is the best. When comparing the OnePlus 12 and Pixel 9 Pro XL, the OnePlus 12 with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and superior graphics performance. It offers faster data speeds with 5G support and expandable storage, plus robust RAM options. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, though impressive, lags behind in thermal management and storage expandability, making the OnePlus 12 the better performer overall. For camera excellence, the Pixel 9 Pro XL stands out. Its main camera delivers exceptional detail and low-light performance, complemented by versatile additional lenses and a powerful selfie camera. Video recording capabilities are top-notch, supported by advanced camera software with unique features. While the OnePlus 12 is competitive, the Pixel 9 Pro XL leads with superior overall camera performance. When it comes to battery life, the OnePlus 12 takes the lead. It boasts a larger battery capacity and faster charging speeds, ensuring quick top-ups and extended use. In real-world scenarios, it consistently outperforms the Pixel 9 Pro XL, providing more reliable battery life and better overall endurance, making the OnePlus 12 the superior choice for longevity. It's where the Pixel 9 Pro XL wins with the best software experience. It runs a stock, clean Android experience with timely software updates straight from Google. The OnePlus 12 is quite loaded with features, though it adds extra pre-installed apps that might turn people off. Thus, the streamlined OS and the fact that it gets updates consistently make the Pixel the better choice for an all-rounded, buttery, and updated software experience. The OnePlus 12 shines in connectivity features, offering robust 5G and 4G support with faster network speeds, the latest Wi-Fi 7 standards, and Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless pairing. It also includes USB Type-C 3.2 with faster data transfer rates and additional connectivity options like dual SIM support. While the Pixel 9 Pro XL is strong, the OnePlus 12 edges ahead in this category. The Pixel 9 Pro XL in extra features, offering top-tier security with its advanced facial recognition and fingerprint sensor. It enhances multimedia experiences with superior stereo speakers and a high-quality display. The device also includes a broader range of sensors, including a barometer and motion sensing features. While the OnePlus 12 is strong, the Pixel leads in extra features. The OnePlus 12 delivers exceptional value, balancing flagship performance and features at a lower cost, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers. When choosing the best, the Pixel 9 Pro XL wins with its superior software experience, unmatched camera quality, and long-term updates, making it ideal for those seeking premium features. However, the OnePlus 12 offers excellent performance and faster charging at a more competitive price, making it the best option for those prioritizing value and speed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest update.